friends, this is a story called It's Snowing, and it talks about the snowflakes. Let's find out. Small, soft flakes fall quietly from above. It's snowing! It's cold, and winter clouds fill the sky. Clouds form when the water evaporates from rivers and lakes and oceans, and then rises as it cools. And clouds are made up of billions and billions of droplets of water floating in the air. And the air gets colder and the droplets of water freeze. Several frozen droplets join together to form ice crystals. Look at that, they're forming in the sky. Ice crystals come in many shapes and designs. They do not look the same. Ice crystals of all shapes and sizes float into one another and join together to create a snowflake. It's kind of like a magnet. Soon, more and more ice crystals attach themselves, making the snowflake larger. When snowflakes get large and heavy enough, they fall from the clouds. It's snowing. Scientists say that no two snowflakes look exactly alike. Each one appears to be different in design, shapes, and sizes from all other snowflakes. These snowflakes are all different, but they all have 6 points. Look at that. Here's one with 6 points or 6 sides. Snow most often falls in places where winter and cold, but it can snow in places where the winters are usually warm. Snow falls in different ways. We say that it's snowing when there is a steady snowfall. Then there are snow flurries when it snows lightly, and there's a period of time. Snow flurries can start and stop, and then they start and stop again. But when there's a big snowstorm and the wind blows and it's really cold and the sleet comes, it's a snowstorm. It can be fun. You can go outside and play in the snow. You can build a snow fort. You can build snow people. You can roll big snowballs. And after a big snowstorm, there's lots of work to be done. Look at that, they're having lots of fun in the snow. And then when the snow melts, it turns back into the rivers or the water or the ocean. Look around, the snow is just beautiful. Bye, friends.